found my fresh coriander here. Ta-da. Right, very simple but very flavorful steamed Chinese pomfret.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I have a very beautiful Chinese pomfret with me, approximately 500 grams. My wife's relatives is coming from New Zealand, so I'm steaming this as one of the dish for them tonight. So I have, after you wash the fish thoroughly, especially the fish kidney, which is the middle blood stain inside the fish, and then make two big slits on the fish sides. After which we're going to marinate the fish with a little bit of fine salt, and insert some ginger in the cavity, and also the top as well as the bottom. After which we're going to send it into the steamer. Alright, so I have preheated my steamer oven here. Let's put it in, and we're going to steam it for about 10-11 minutes. So while waiting for the fish to steam, now I'm going to show you one of the simplest way on how you can make your steamed fish sauce. Simplest way. Here's our water, filtered water here, a bit of light soy sauce, few dashes of fish sauce, some salt, some sugar, some garlic oil or sesame oil if you don't have garlic oil at home, and a few dashes of white pepper, and mix all this up, which is good enough. Some people will add Shaoxing wine, but I prefer not to. Somehow I don't like to have a Shaoxing wine flavor inside my steamed fish sauce. I think no right or wrong, personal preference. You can add in some oyster sauce as well. That will give it some deeper flavor. To me, it's optional. Right? Right, the fish should be done right now. Wow, just let all the steam to go out first. If you're not sure, you can always use a chopstick, something sharp, to poke into the meat to see whether it can go through or not. If you can go through, then it's fully cooked. Right? Right. So you have some fishy water here. Oh, this is the steamed fish water. We don't want it. I have moved the fish over to a serving plate. Right. So I have the fish onto my serving plate. Next thing we do is pour the steamed fish sauce over. Today I'm going to use a cantonese style. So give it some ginger, some fried garlic, and let me find my fresh coriander. Alright, found my fresh coriander here. Ta-da! Right, very simple but very flavorful steamed Chinese pomfret using Cantonese style. I hope you like my simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page or click like and follow button, follow up on Instagram, and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Now, if you find my steamed fish sauce having a little bit too many ingredients just now, all you need to do is just add water and light soy sauce. Good enough also. Alright, bye bye.